So I was watching my cousin's latest video. I'll add a link in the description below. But there was a point in the video where she talked about Haitian patties, which then made me want one real bad. So with it being around 8 p.m. my time and all the bakeries being closed, I decided to just make some and record it.
It's just different.
Now this is just me fulfilling a late night craving, so it won't be too traditional, but you can pretty much find all these ingredients in any major grocery store. A Haitian patty is generally going to be a puff pastry with some filling, most common some type of meat, fish, or even veggie. Do whatever makes you happy, and just try not to skimp on the puff pastry. It makes a huge difference. So instead of going through the 8-hour plus method of making our own dough, I'm using puff pastry sheets. May not be good as an actual bakery when it comes to the flake test, but it will be more than good enough to satisfy that craving, especially if you go brand name. And don't skip on the sheets. So this was one of the first times, is the first time that I ever talked in one of my videos. Please let me know if you guys like it or not. Maybe I'll do it again if I'm not feeling lazy. And also go show some love for my cousin Marsha. Her videos are definitely more crafted and better than mine. She puts a lot more effort than I do, and it definitely shows. They're pretty good. But again, thank you for watching as always.